Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Gateway Inn and Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This hotel is located in the heart of the Rockies and whitewater rafting can be found nearby. Guests have access to the business center located in the lobby. Laundry facilities are available for added convenience. All rooms include free Wi-Fi. Cable TV with free movie channels is featured in all rooms at Gateway Inn and Suites. Simply furnished. Most rooms are equipped with a fridge and microwave. Tea and coffee making facilities are included. Just 40 miles from the 21 amusement rides and panoramic views at Royal Gorge Bridge and Park, this Salida hotel offers a hot tub. Guests will enjoy the morning waffles. Monarch Ski Resort is 20 miles from this hotel. A free transfer service is available to Alexander Field Airport 10 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.